We've got our November harvest coming in. Lots of strawberries. These are Albion and Monterey varieties. We've got a Bidwell, Crenshaw type melon. Waltham butternut squash. Basil. Passion fruit. Lots of tomatoes. Cherokee Purples are doing really well as one of the other heirloom varieties. Peppers have been incredible. Huge, juicy, thick wall, really nice. This passion fruit, super ripe, ready to go. We've got some limes. Bell peppers. Ooh, they're really good. These are pablanos. Our first Robertson navel. Back to those yummy strawberries.